The countdown to summer is on.
It's officially swimsuit season.
Bikini season is here.
Lands End is bringing the ultimate swimsuit experience.
Swimsuit experience.
Working with hundreds of women around the country.
Live from Midtown Atlanta. In Chicago, this is Wake Up Wisconsin.
I've been so impressed with Lands End, from the fitting to the final suit to the accessories. Everything is thought of and taken care of for you.
Bathing suit season is here. Let's take a look at the latest collection from Lands End.
Lands End swim, fit, and style expert.
City to city.
Lands End is here to show us the very latest trends.
Ambassador.
4 trends absolutely love from Lands End.